Hello everyone. This is Cool Tales Institute. I'm Cool Tales. Okay, today we're gonna show you how to calculate Baccarat pairs. Okay. First of all, the pair in Baccarat is we can bet in here. Okay, if we bet in pair, which means if player has a pair, shows on player, we pay our odds is 11 to 1. If banker, the first two card has pair, is sent 11 to 1. This is Baccarat's odds. So we use the computer to make a calculator to calculate the pair expected return value. Okay. First of all, we have to make a whole deck card, 32 card as ace, 32 cards 2 as for each of the number we have 32, which means we have total 416 card, which is 8 decks. Okay, now we have to calculate the pair, which means we have to calculate 1 pair and 2 pair and 3 pair for each of the number. We use the first card if we want to calculate the pair of ace. The first card we get ace, the probability is 32 to 416. We use the dollar signs here. So it's 7%, 7.7 amount. Okay, now the second card, which means we have already had 1 S showing out, so we have to minus 1 divided by 1 card shows out already, which is ace, so divided by 415. Use dollar sign here. Okay, so we have first card, which is ace probability, and the second card is ace probability. So the probability of ace pair is first card times second card. So this is the probability of ace, and we can use this to calculate O. This is O pairs probability. For example, if we change the number here, if we change which is 7 5 shows out, the 5 pairs probability is lower than the others. Okay, this is the sample. Okay, reverse. So now we have to add an O. Add this pair, add an O. This is the pair of the probability of pair, and this is the odds, and this is the probability which is no pair, and this is odds. So the EV expected return we calculate by this way, and plus this time this. This is the EV of pair. Okay, now easy if we play on the table. For example, it deal 1 hand. Okay, this is player, banker, player, banker. Okay, we have 2 9 shows out, which 2 9 32 becomes 30, and 1 4 32 becomes 31, and 1 jack 32 becomes 31. Okay, the expect value has a little bit different now because the only 4 cards shows out only. So if we keep deal and keep playing at the last, okay, fine. at the finish of this game, before the game finish, it should be look like maybe not very sure look like this way, because few card left. Okay, for this sample, if the left card is like this, sometimes we can have a positive EV. So at the positive time, we bet big amount bet, then more we bet and more we get. This is pair calculator. Okay, thank you everybody.